So what is this? You may thinking like these collections, what kind of collections you are looking, right? Yes friends, these collections are regular, exclusive, stylish party wear collections. If I talk about this, collections are very beautiful, only 30 to 40 seconds. The collections which is ready to wear sarees, I am going to show you. These collections are very beautiful. Keep watching this video, which the manufacturing price you can purchase which starts from 1000 rupees and highest price is 2500 to 3000. Latest collections which are very demanded in the market, and these selling is the huge margin like 10,000, 12,000, 13,000, 15,000, unexpected beautiful varieties. So keep watching this video. If you are a boutique retailer, easily you can add into business by COD pan India worldwide. If I want to just show you the beautiful lovely collections, just come the camera, I can show you the lovely collections which is a very pretty, which is a first pattern, which is ready to wear saree. 121 is the code, which is only hand pattern designer of ready to wear, only RE work, which is very beautiful silver finishing pearl, which you can see here with semi pads, and the saree which you can see here, the beautiful saree which is very pretty. And this you have this is the saree frills you can see here, and this is a pallu. This is a beautiful pallu. In this you have frills also you can see here, and the handwork pattern, beautiful hip belt you can see here, very stylish. In this you have a lovely collections. This is a silk satin based you can see here. If I want to show you the next color, dark wine color with the dark maroon shade, very stylish black finishing stone work, chunky work you can see here, semi pads which is given here. The sleeves also you can attach. Celebrity party wear collections, the beautiful frills of the pallu you can see here. This comes like this, and saree you can see here, this is the saree, okay, this is which comes like this. And in this you have a hip, same design with the diamond stone pattern, which is this one of the color. Every design you have a 4 color charts. Next pattern, which is a ocean blue color, handwork design pattern, 248 is the code, which is very bold handwork designer, chunky work. In this you have a very pretty, this is satin sleeves, full sleeves is given here. In this you have this pattern which is satin based, and you have a regular which is very pretty of this. This is a pallu. Every design you will find out a same saree according to the pattern. All these designer sarees are having 4 colors with the color charts. And next color, which is a beige color, very stylish and celebrity wear, very sharp v-neck, which is like zip pattern, which is not a zip, which is a stonework chunky work. This is 102 code, ready to wear saree. And in this you have a beige color, plain satin based, which is saree over here, and this is the pallu over here. This is a pattern. 102 is the code. All these exclusive varieties are very pretty and very designer, very demanded at the market. Next pattern, which is only handwork, mirror work, stone work, sequence work, multi work, which is light brownish shade, which is a net based, which is given here. 247 is the code. In this you have a brownish shade, which is beautiful designer chunky work. So in this we have one of the pattern. So in this also we have a designer stone work. All these kind of varieties, which is a silver finishing, which is handwork pattern. The bottom layer has been given here. If I talk about next pattern, which one is one of the lavender shade, very pretty, only pearl with silver finishing. This is 343 is the code. In this also you have a lovely collections. You have a free color charts. In this you have a only white pearl, white design, and heavy designer. The bottom layer which pearl and with the silver finishing, which is stonework has been done. In this you have a pallu, lovely and stylish collections, very pretty. This comes like this. This is a saree, very pretty color, and in this one of the this thing. So every saree you have a 30 to 40 seconds you can wear these collections. All these collections have no damages. All are very imported fabric, which is satin and silky stylish fabric. In this you have a light colors, dark colors, and every saree design having 4 sets color charts. And if you want to buy, there is a customer has an ordered which is a huge quantity of these collections, you can buy at factory cost. No damages. Buy only COD options, pan India, only ready to wear sarees also you can purchase. You can mix and purchase a particular segment also you can purchase. And these sarees having a huge margin, so keep into your business. Retailers, boutique retailers, these are very fast moving for youngsters, college girls, for party wear. If anyone wants to know that I don't know where to saree, you can suggest these sarees, and huge margin is there based on the location in the city. So I hope these collections you really liked it. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting. So what kind of collections you are looking for, just let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Please share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Subscribe the channel. Everyone is keep sharing in the comments from which city you're watching this channel. Thanks for that. And every viewers, if you really wants to share your feedbacks, you can go ahead. So it will be very helpful with me. Subscribe the channel. So next video will come up with new more collections business. Until that, take care. Bye bye.